Okay, we just put the 6.5 Creedmoor barrel in and the new magazine. So there's a cartridge in the top of the magazine, and as we move the bolt forward here, it's just going right over the top of it. And it looks like the magazine itself, it will not go up any higher. If we try to get it to go, it's stopped as far as it will go. It looks like we need about 1/8 of an inch to be shaved off the top of this. And if we take it all the way out and put it up next to this one, we can notice that there's a difference in height this way, but more importantly, we flip them upside down and we look at the height of the little knobby, which is I think the professional name for it. Yeah, so we see that the one on the left here is off by 1/8 of an inch or so.
The one on the left is the correct one. That's the 338.
Okay, yeah, so correct one, wrong one.